Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I extend you a warm welcome to this press conference on updated long-range forecast for 2021 Southwest monsoon rainfall. Am I audible, Gopal sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Dr. Mahapatra. Okay.
Yes, audible.
Slide, I'm moving the slide. Is it moving? Yeah, moving. Please go ahead. Yeah, dear friends, as we informed in our first stage of forecast for monsoon rainfall 2021, India Meteorological Department and Ministry of Earth Sciences have adopted a new strategy for long-range forecast. Under this strategy, we are issuing our first stage forecast in the middle of April. And this year we issued this forecast on 16th of April. During this first stage, we issued all India average seasonal rainfall for the month of June to September. Then spatial pattern of probabilistic forecast for seasonal rainfall over the country. This is for the first time in the history that we provided operational forecast of rainfall for the season over different parts of the country in terms of below normal probability, normal probability, and above normal probability of rainfall. In the second stage, if you remember earlier, till last year, we issued forecast only about the updated seasonal rainfall for the country as a whole and the rainfall forecast for 4 homogeneous regions like Northwest India, Central India, East and Northeast India, and South Peninsular India. But for this stage, in 2021, we will have the additional information, that is the spatial distribution of rainfall expected over the country as a whole, so that you can find out what is the probability of occurrence of seasonal rainfall, whether it will be below normal, above normal, or normal over different parts of the country. Also, there has been another new initiative to provide the monthly rainfall forecast for the country as a whole, and also the spatial distribution of rainfall over different parts of the country. And this forecast will be issued by end of May or beginning of June. And today we'll issue the forecast for the month of June. As all of us know that the core zone of the monsoon, which extends from Odisha to Maharashtra and Gujarat, this is the main area which is mostly rain-fed. So therefore, IMD, under the guidance of Secretary Minister of Earth Sciences, decided to issue this year the rainfall expected over the monsoon core zone, or you can say the rain-fed zone of the country. So this one also will be issued this today. And again, by the end of June, we'll issue the forecast for July. By end of July, we'll issue the forecast for August. And by end of August, we'll issue the forecast for September. So this is the new scheme of the seasonal and monthly forecast. It is being issued based on the statistical modeling done indigenously within the country and IMD, and also the multi-model ensemble scheme. This multi-model ensemble scheme is based on the most suitable dynamical global and their combination utilizing a robust statistical technique. And this multi-model ensemble technique has been developed by our Climate Research and Service wing at Pune. And based on these, we are issuing this forecast. If I just go back about the first stage forecast for 2021 Southwest monsoon rainfall issued on 16th of April 2021, we told that this will be the normal rainfall for the country as a whole. When I say normal, rainfall is 96 to 104% of the long period average, and long period average is 88 centimeters. Specifically, we told that rainfall will be 98% of the long period average plus minus 5%. And also we provided the spatial distribution rainfall, which is shown on the left-hand side here in the diagram. You will find that most parts of the country also we expected that it will have normal to normal rainfall, except East and Northeast India, some parts where we expected the probability of below normal rainfall. Now, if you look at the latest global sea surface temperatures and El Niño's other oscillation conditions, because this is the crucial factor which influences mostly the rainfall over the country, you will find that there is below normal sea surface temperature over equatorial and East Pacific region. So mostly it is the below average temperature. And if you just look at the trend, it is like this. It is though below average, but it is nearby to the normal positions. Now, if you just look at the forecast based on the initial condition of the atmosphere in the month of May, you will find that on the left-hand side, this diagram, the blue color represents the probability of La Nina conditions, and the gray color is the probability of the neutral conditions, and red color is the probability of the El Nino conditions. So from this diagram, it is found that probability for El Nino condition is very, very less. There is probability for neutral condition or La Nina conditions. If you look at July, August, September, the probability of neutral condition, or June, July, August, the probability of neutral condition is maximum. Similarly, the multimodal climate forecast system of Ministry of Earth Sciences, it also indicates that we will have the maximum probability for the neutral El Nino southern oscillation conditions during the months June to September. There is another large-scale feature which influences the monsoon rainfall, that is the Indian Ocean dipole, which is similar to El Nino southern oscillation, but over the Indian Ocean. The positive Indian Ocean dipole favors the rainfall activity, and negative Indian Ocean dipole is not so much favorable. Now, if you just look at the forecast for the Indian Ocean dipole based on the initial condition of May 2021, both from the international models and also from monsoon mission climate forecast system model of Ministry of Earth Sciences, what we find that negative Indian Ocean dipole conditions are likely to develop during the monsoon season. So here the blue color indicates the negative Indian Ocean dipole conditions, and the red color is the positive Indian Ocean dipole conditions, and neutral is the green color. So this indicates that during June, July, August, September, August, September, October, or September, October, November, there is more probability for the negative Indian Ocean dipole conditions. So if I summarize the sea surface temperature in Indian Ocean dipole, I will say the La Nina conditions which kicked off in November last year started weakening in early part of 2021 and turned into neutral ENSO conditions by end of April. Presently, neutral ENSO conditions are seen over equatorial Pacific, along with substantially warmer subsurface temperatures over the region. Atmospheric patterns also reflect neutral ENSO conditions. Now, latest monsoon mission climate forecast system and other global model forecast indicate that neutral ENSO conditions will continue during the upcoming monsoon season. At present, neutral Indian Ocean dipole conditions are prevailing over Indian Ocean. Latest forecast from MMCFS and other global models indicate possibility of development of negative Indian Ocean dipole conditions during monsoon season. Now, coming to the updated forecast for 2021 southwest monsoon rainfall over the country as a whole, based on the statistical instrument forecasting system, quantitatively, we are expecting rainfall to be 101% of long period average with a model error of plus minus 4%. So in the first stage, we have told 98%, and now we have upgraded it to 101%. The long period average of the rainfall is 88 centimeters based on data of 1961 to 2010. 5 category probability forecast for the season for the country as a whole, if you just look at, you will find that the normal rainfall possibility probability is about 40% against the climatological probability of 30%, 33%. That means you have got the higher probability in the category of normal. Compared to below normal, it is not so much high. So therefore, the forecast goes for the normal rainfall during 2021, and quantitatively, it is 101%. Now, forecast for the different homogeneous regions and monsoon core zone we are issuing today. As for this, for Northwest India, we are expecting 92 to 108%, that is normal rainfall for Northwest India, and forecast probability for this category is 41%. For Central India, we are also expecting above normal rainfall activity, more than 106%, and probability is 39%. South Peninsula, we are expecting normal rainfall activity, and it is between 93 to 107%, and probability is 34%. For Northeast India, we are expecting below normal rainfall activity, that is less than 95%, and forecast probability is 40%. For monsoon core zone, that is mostly rain-fed area of the country, we are providing this forecast that rainfall is likely to be above normal or monsoon core zone, and amount may be more than 106%. The forecast probability in this category is 40%. So what I want to say that except the Northeast India, where we are expecting the below normal activity, the other regions we are expecting normal to above normal rainfall activity. Now, if I just look at the spatial distribution of the forecast, what we find that this green color and light blue color is covering most parts of the country. That means we are expecting normal to above normal seasonal rainfall over most parts of the country during the monsoon 2021. I'll just repeat, this blue color and green color represents normal and above normal probability, and yellow and red color represents the below normal rainfall probability. So therefore, while most parts we are expecting to have normal to above normal rainfall activity, there are some regions in the east and northeast India, like eastern parts of Bihar, some parts of West Bengal, and Assam and Meghalaya, and then Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Leh region, and adjoining Himachal Pradesh, and southwest peninsular India, specifically some parts of Kerala, coastal Karnataka, and some parts of interior Maharashtra, and some parts of interior Tamil Nadu, where the probability for below normal rainfall activity is predicted. So if we move towards the forecast for the month of June, which is being produced for the first time in the country today, we are expecting the June rainfall for the country as a whole to be normal, that is 92% to 180% of the long period average. And spatial distribution also, if we just look at blue and green color, is covering most parts of the central, northeast, and eastern parts of the country, and some parts of northwest India. So it is therefore likely that most areas of eastern parts of central India, plains of the Himalayas, and eastern India, where we can expect above normal rainfall activity. So below normal probability is likely over many areas of northwest India and southern parts of South Peninsula and some areas of northeast India. So this type of forecast probability which we have produced today for entire country, it has been based on three categories: below normal, normal, and above normal probability for different regions. The white page, what you find, that is the climatological probability. That means there is no such signal. Now, if I summarize the second stage forecast, the southwest monsoon seasonal rainfall for the country as a whole is most likely to be normal, 96 to 104% of the long period average. Quantitatively, monsoon seasonal rainfall over the country as a whole is likely to be 101% of long period average with a model error of plus minus 4%. LPA of seasonal rainfall over the country as a whole is based on 1961 to 2010, and it is 88 centimeters. Southwest monsoon seasonal rainfall is most likely to be normal over northwest India, 92 to 108%, over South Peninsula, 93 to 107%, Seasonal rainfall most likely to be below normal over northeast India, less than 95%, and above normal over central India, more than 106%. Southwest monsoon seasonal rainfall over monsoon core zone, which consists of most of the rain-fed agriculture regions of the country, is most likely to be above normal, that is greater than 106% of LPA. So monsoon seasonal rainfall likely to be well distributed spatially. Most parts of country is expected to receive normal to above normal rainfall during the season. Latest global model forecast indicate that prevailing neutral ENSO conditions are likely to continue over equatorial Pacific Ocean and possibility of development of negative Indian Ocean dipole over Indian Ocean during monsoon season. Now, this seasonal forecast what we are issuing, it will be followed by the extended range forecast. As all of us know, we are issuing every Thursday the extended range forecast valid for next 4 weeks. And this is the latest extended range forecast for next 4 weeks. It indicates also the good monsoon conditions during the month of June, especially in the eastern parts and southern peninsula of the country. And this extended range forecast is followed by the short to medium range forecast valid up to 7 days and the nowcast valid up to 3 hours. So what I want to mention here that for monsoon season, ensuing monsoon season, we will have a seamless forecasting system starting from the forecast for a few hours to forecast for the season as a whole and month as a whole. Also in the temporal scale, also in the spatial scale, we will have the monsoon forecast for the cities, the location specific forecast to the towns, districts, and also the meteorological subdivisions and river catchments and different homogeneous regions. So with this, I will thank you, all of you, for listening with patience, but I will just repeat the same thing with some Hindi version. दोस्तों, आज हम साउथ ईस्ट मॉनसून 2021 का सीजनल फोरकास्ट का अपडेट जारी कर रहे हैं और ये फोरकास्ट के मुताबिक जून से सितंबर के बीच होने वाले बारिश लगभग लॉन्ग पीरियड एवरेज की 101% होने का अनुमान किया जा रहा है। ये जो मॉडल को बेस करके हम ये पूर्वानुमान दे रहे हैं, इसका मॉडल एरर है ±4%। और जो लॉन्ग पीरियड एवरेज की बात हम कर रहे हैं वो 1961 से 2010 के डाटा के ऊपर आधारित है और ये लगभग 88 सेंटीमीटर है। कैटेगोरिकल प्रोबेबिलिटी फोरकास्ट की बात करें तो 2021 मानसून सीजन पे मानसून रेनफॉल कंट्री एज ए होल के लिए नॉर्मल रहने का पूर्वानुमान किया जा रहा है और नॉर्मल की मतलब हुए 96 to 104% ऑफ लॉन्ग पीरियड एवरेज। और ये जो फोरकास्ट प्रोबेबिलिटी है नॉर्मल का ये लगभग 40% है अगेंस्ट क्लाइमेटोलॉजिकल प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 33%। हम डिफरेंट होमोजेनियस रीजन्स के लिए भी आज फोरकास्ट जारी कर रहे हैं। नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया की बात करें तो यहाँ लगभग रेनफॉल 92% से 180% के बीच में रहने का पूर्वानुमान है और ये जो पूर्वानुमान का जो फोरकास्ट प्रोबेबिलिटी है 41% है। सेंट्रल इंडिया के लिए हमारा फोरकास्ट है कि इस बार रेनफॉल नॉर्मल से ज्यादा रहेगा यानी एबव नॉर्मल होगा और क्वांटिटेटिवली 106% से ज्यादा होने का उम्मीद किया जा रहा है। साउथ पेनिनसुला में रेनफॉल नॉर्मल हो सकता है और 93% से 107% के अंदर होने का पूर्वानुमान किया जा रहा है। नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया में रेनफॉल बिलो नॉर्मल होने का पूर्वानुमान है और क्वांटिटेटिवली 95% से कम हो सकता है। मॉनसून कोर जोन जो रेनफेड एरिया मोस्टली है वहां रेनफॉल इस बार एबो नॉर्मल हो सकता है और क्वांटिटेटिवली 106% से ज्यादा हो सकता है। हम इस बार पहले बार कंट्री एज ए होल की फोरकास्ट के साथ साथ कंट्री का डिफरेंट हिस्सा में कैसे मानसून रेनफॉल रहेगा इसका भी पूर्वानुमान कर रहे हैं और ये पूर्वानुमान के हिसाब से मानसून रेनफॉल लगभग नॉर्मल से एबो नॉर्मल हो सकता है मोस्ट पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री एक्सेप्ट सम पार्ट्स ऑफ एक्सट्रीम नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया, ईस्ट एंड नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया एंड साउथ वेस्ट पेनिनसुलर इंडिया। और जो कंट्री एज ए होल आप देखेंगे इस स्पेशल पैटर्न को लेकर तो ये नॉर्मल हो सकता है जो कि 96 to 104% ऑफ एलपीए है। अभी जून महीना का जो फोरकास्ट जो हम पहले बार इशू कर रहे हैं इस बार, आप लोगों को पता है कि जून महीना का रेनफॉल में ज्यादा वेरिएशन होता है क्योंकि ऑनसेट मानसून होता है। फिर भी हम इस बार कोशिश किए हैं कि जून महीना का रेनफॉल फोरकास्ट देने के लिए जो सोइंग वगैरह के जो स्टेप लेते हैं इसमें मदद हो सकता है। इसमें हम यही उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि रेनफॉल मोस्टली नॉर्मल होगा, दैट इज 92 to 108% ऑफ द लॉन्ग पीरियड एवरेज। और कंट्री वाइज आप देखेंगे तो ये रेनफॉल ईस्टर्न पार्ट और सेंट्रल पार्ट में नॉर्मल से एबो नॉर्मल और नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया की कुछ हिस्सा में बहुत नॉर्मल एबो नॉर्मल टू नॉर्मल रेनफॉल, मगर साउथ पेनिनसुला के कुछ हिस्सा, वेस्टर्न इंडिया की कुछ हिस्सा और नॉर्दर्न इंडिया की कुछ हिस्सा में ये बिलो नॉर्मल प्रोबेबिलिटी होने का पूर्वानुमान किया जा रहा है। मैं समराइज करूं तो दक्षिण पश्चिम मानसून का रेनफॉल कंट्री एज ए होल के लिए नॉर्मल रहने का पूर्वानुमान किया जा रहा है और नॉर्मल की मतलब होता है 96 to 104% ऑफ लॉन्ग पीरियड एवरेज। क्वांटिटेटिवली देखें ये जो पूर्वानुमान है ये लगभग 101% ऑफ लॉन्ग पीरियड एवरेज है, मॉडल एरर ऑफ ±4% के साथ। साउथ वेस्ट मानसून रेनफॉल नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया के लिए नॉर्मल रहने का उम्मीद है जो कि 92 to 108% हो सकता है। साउथ पेनिनसुला की भी नॉर्मल हो सकता है 93 to 107%, मगर नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया के लिए मानसून रेनफॉल डेफिशिएंट तो नहीं, बिलो नॉर्मल हो सकता है जो कि 95% से कम, और सेंट्रल इंडिया के लिए एबो नॉर्मल हो सकता है जो कि 106% से ज्यादा। तो साउथ वेस्ट मानसून सीजनल रेनफॉल मानसून कोर जोन जो कि रेनफेड एग्रीकल्चर रीजियंस है मोस्टली, वहाँ एबो नॉर्मल होने का उम्मीद किया जा रहा है और क्वांटिटेटिवली 106% से ज्यादा हो सकता है। और स्पेशल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ रेनफॉल फोरकास्ट आप देखेंगे ये वेल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है और जो ग्लोबल मॉडल्स का जो पूर्वानुमान है, हमारा जो लार्ज स्केल फीचर्स है जो मानसून को प्रभावित करते हैं जैसे कि एल नीनो सदर्न ऑसिलेशन, ये न्यूट्रल रहने का पूर्वानुमान है और जो इंडियन ओशन डाइपोल वो नेगेटिव होने का पूर्वानुमान है। इसके साथ साथ ये जो हम मानसून फोरकास्ट इशू कर रहे हैं इसको हम फॉलो अप करेंगे एक्सटेंडेड रेंज फोरकास्ट के साथ, जो जैसे हर थर्सडे को इशू हो रहा है और 4 हफ्ते का ये फोरकास्ट दिया जा रहा है। और ये एक्सटेंडेड फोरकास्ट को हम फॉलो अप करेंगे शॉर्ट टू मीडियम रेंज फोरकास्ट के साथ, जिसमें हम 5 दिन का हेवी रेनफॉल वार्निंग देंगे। और जैसे आपको पता है हम आजकल इम्पैक्ट बेस्ड हेवी रेनफॉल वार्निंग दे रहे हैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्पेसिफिक और मेजर सिटी के लिए भी। इसके साथ साथ हम नाउकास्ट करेंगे इसको फॉलो अप करने के लिए, जो कि हर 3 घंटे में फोरकास्ट दिया जाएगा, हर स्टेशन के लिए देंगे और हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लिए देंगे। और जो नेक्स्ट पूर्वानुमान है जुलाई के लिए हम जून एंड पे इसको पेश करेंगे। सो आप सभी को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं कि आप सभी ने ये प्रेजेंटेशन को देखा और सुना। अभी